Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you if you have a Dodge Dart and you need to remove or replace the passenger side knee airbag, guys. This is the one on the passenger side under the glove box. Stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be done and how to get to it. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we get all that from for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So we have a 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll be demonstrating on, guys, but before you actually start working on your airbag system, guys, first thing that you need to do, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before the repair. Why? Because that way the airbag system will discharge, and the chance for something terribly bad to happen and explode in your face, it's less. Okay, less likely, but it still could happen. So be careful, guys, because airbags can kill you, they can kill your passenger. So if you're not qualified and certified, do not do the repair, guys. No, don't. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. So let me show you which airbag I'm talking about now. I'll go inside, right here, inside the car. And if you guys look at your Dodge Dart now, okay, right here, on the right side, right here, in the knees, you have an airbag. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the glove box. You need to remove the glove box to get to it, but before we do that, we have to disconnect our car battery for at least 1 hour. We have, guys, okay, we'll go ahead, do that, disconnect the car battery, wait 1 hour, and then we'll continue. So we disconnected, guys, our car battery. Now what we're going to do, okay, what we're going to do, if you want to see how to disconnect the car battery the correct way, check out the video on the channel, guys, but go ahead, do that, because it's very important how you disconnect it, and wait at least 1 hour before you continue. Now by removing the glove box, okay, you can access, okay, all the bolts and screws. So I'll get somebody to come hold the light quick here, okay, so we can guys show you where all the bolts are for that airbag. You can see a little bit more obvious. Okay, we are going to point it like that, and you can see on the top side of the airbag right there, guys, you have 4 nuts, only 4 nuts holding that airbag in place, guys. So we'll just hold the light like that, okay, like this, okay, perfect. Here you have, okay, check it out, 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm nuts. Once you guys remove your nuts, okay, the airbag will come down, but you have to disconnect the wiring harness, guys. How you do that? This is the wire, okay, right here. It's actually to the side of the airbag over there, and how you disconnect it, okay, you pull that red piece out, not all the way out, you can see just like that, and the connector will disconnect and you can pull it out, guys. You have to be extremely careful, don't use any metal prying tools, anything like that, because that thing can explode. But you can see, guys, that's how you do it. And from that point on, all we have to do, just remove, okay, the 4 nuts, and all that will just drop down. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.